Janvahit from grade 4 today. Now I am going to presenting a topic about organs of unit second. Organs mean as we have 5 internal organs in our body. The first one is brain, second one is lungs, third one is heart, fourth one is stomach, and fifth one is kidneys. Thanks.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Rura Rose from 4th grade. I will explain the first organ of our body is brain. Brain means the mouth. The brain receives process information about the world around us and it controls action and response of the body. Thanks. Assalamualaikum. My name is Alara. I read in class 4th grade. Now I will explain the second organ of our body are lungs. Lungs means breath. The lungs take air in and out of the body. They move oxygen into the blood and carbon dioxide out of it. Assalamualaikum. My name is Ayan from grade 4th grade. Now I will explain the third organ of our body is heart. Heart means this. The heart circulates blood around the body. Thanks. Assalamualaikum. My name is Rayyanur from grade 4th grade. Now I am going to present the fourth organ of our body is stomach. Stomach means meda. Stomach is muscular hollow organ. It takes food from the esophagus and then passes it on to the small intestine and also it helps the digestion. Thanks. Assalamualaikum. My name is Fatma from 4th grade. Now I will explain the fifth organ of our body is kidneys. Kidney remove waste and extra fluid from the body and help maintain a healthy